A smooth mat. That's the goal of every paving and rolling team. One that will keep pedestrians safe and has the integrity to stand the test of time. This means every member of a paving crew, from operator to labor, need to understand the principles needed for efficiency, consistency, and safety. To know the components of a quality team as much as that of the machine we use. To master the process of planning before you begin and clean up at the end of the day. We need to also grasp the fundamentals of rolling the mat, to know the difference between the breakdown and the finish, to understand the importance of machine inspection, temperature, working your angles, and always having an adequate water supply. Paving It 101 and Rolling It 101, the two new training courses found only on aQuiRe.